Shey, if I forget bullet for your head now, them go talk say I wicked.
Kuchi abeg, sorry. Na reflex based on say I be no one make him get one-on-one.
Come on, shut up your mouth. You dey prevent one-on-one. Come go cause may we lose. And this your action fit potentially cost us the title. That obsessed Guardiola no go won lose now. Hello? I go call you back. I dey in the middle of something.
No need to call me back. I just want to remind you of the EPL bigger picture. Now we una don fall out of the title race.
Which bigger picture? And who tell you say we don't drop out from title race?
As I come EPL, them tell me say the number one goal of every EPL coach na to carry EPL or help dethrone Guardiola and Man City.
Why you come to remind me?
No, na just say since una don comot for the title race, una fit help another team dethrone Man City.
My guy, if you dey find favor for my hand, just forget am. Na firing squad una dey come meet for our stadium on Sunday. No worry, if Arsenal jam City again for second leg, we go still shoot their papa so that we go level the playing field for una.
Now wow, e be like say una no serious to dethrone Man City for this EPL.
So just because say you manage to dey top table now, you come think say you get 3 chance to carry am. No worry, just wait. Now you go still use your hand go lose to Mumu Club after Inaki finish on Sunday.
Me? Lose to Mumu Club? I don't even know why I call you safe. Now to just handle una how I take handle Chelsea.
Where we stop? Yes, we stop for me for getting bullets for your head.
No!
As them they play UEFA Champions League now, 1xbet get one pool prize fund of $350,000 where them they share give people way bet on top Champions League. Them they call them Lucky League. If you want follow win some of that money, first go register for 1xbet with our promo code GNEX. Then go give you 300% bonus on top your first deposit. Come go the Lucky League offer page. Place take part. Bet on top Champions League matches with at least 4,900 naira. Then go give you promo tickets where you go use unlock club achievements. Come follow for their super prize draws inside the offer page. Make sure say you bet with sense or good luck.
Oga Sayo and Oga Marinho, una welcome to the show.
Thank you, Kobala.
Kubala.
This coming weekend go be banger in terms of the fixtures. On Saturday, Real Madrid go try catch up in points with Barcelona inside the first El Classico of the season. Oga Sari, how you think say that match go down?
I agree say Barca don upgrade since we Xavi comot but them never still reach level to drag shoulder with this Ancelotti Madrid. Na inside pod them go enter for Bernabeu on Saturday because Madrid go cook them.
Now you go supply them with ingredients now, abi?
No, Madrid don already buy the ingredients keep. Na just cooking na in remain.
You know where? If not like so, why back at the top table?
Na in we dey talk now. E go change after Saturday.
Even if Madrid win by mistake, them no go top table because of goal difference.
Capitan Momo. You don't forget say La Liga they do head to head first before goal difference abi?
Now your papa be capital idiot.
On Sunday, EPL league leaders go travel go North London to confront the wounded Gunners. Oga Mourinho, wetin you dey expect for that encounter?
Arsenal no ready for the title yet, so I dey expect Liverpool to knock them.
Now why you go soon lose your house and your family for bet?
See, make you dey very careful oh. I go soon enter you oh.
The only thing where you fit enter, na the bus where you da park.
Okay nah. Kubala, shey you dey here?
No.
Because now your studio go scatter.
Any outcome for that match go favor Guardiola for table. In other words, Arsenal go win or draw that match.
Make I swallow fish for Atlantic Ocean.
No worry, na that fish go swallow you. And I go make sure say it happen if Liverpool no win. Just wait.
Make we shift our attention small go Champions League. This new format don't bring plenty unusual surprises. For example, Brest wey just dey come Champions League for the first time, dey high up for table.
Leave those ones. No matter how high Brest wan stand for table, one thing I sabi for this life na say, Brest must fall when dem press am.
My own be say, anything where you ever dey do, make them not like match young boys with the blessed. Because young boys no dey take eye see blessed. Them must to bless am, and the blessed no go fit stand the constant pleasure where those boys go apply.